Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nicole Mullen, and my partner and I will be presenting about the disappearance of the Mississippi River Delta. What is a river delta? The word delta comes from a Greek letter that looks like a triangle. As stated by Dodson, the mouth of a river is where it meets an ocean, a lake, or another river. A river delta typically makes up a triangle-shaped piece of land.
The delta is disappearing because of many reasons, the first one being natural disasters. Hurricanes Katrina and Rita destroyed hundreds of square miles of coastal wetlands in a matter of days. Wetlands who used to work as a barrier for hurricanes for communities like New Orleans and southern parts of Louisiana, who now are more vulnerable to future storms and hurricanes. The second reason for the disappearance of the delta is sea level rise. Scientists say that the world's oceans will rise from 1 feet to 3 feet over the next century, making the submergence alert even greater for the Mississippi River Delta and the coast of Louisiana. The third is the simplest one: high level of pollution due to boat activity, oil spills, industrialization, and sediment that comes down from the river. Here you guys can see a chart provided by the NOAA of what they call the dead zone. It is basically the level of pollution being so high that no life can be found. Here it is measured in thousands of square miles. As you can see, the year 2020 is even higher than the long-term average, being one of the highest years measured since 1985. This affects the fishing industry and the economy because a great majority of the shellfish eaten in the United States come from the Delta.
My proposal to try to solve this problem is to use social media to create awareness about this issue. We can do this by posting, doing videos, podcasts, among other things about the disappearance of the Mississippi River Delta. We should also teach how climate change and pollution affect it and how we can help to improve the problem.
To help combat this problem, a good solution would be to recruit associations that are dedicated to clean up and improve rivers. For example, CleanFlow. CleanFlow is a French-based association best known for winning the two most important environmental prizes in France, Prix de l'Environnement and the Jacques Bleu, in 1993 after restoring the Mineur River. Even though they are French-based, we can still adopt their methods to clean the Mississippi River as much as we can. Sadly, despite the efforts, the level of damage is still bigger than the level of recovery. I hope that someday it becomes a big movement to help recover the delta, because without significant action, it could soon disappear forever.
I expect people to take action to try to improve climate change and pollution, since the Mississippi River Delta is not the only thing being affected.